front brake pads and rotors. So as you can see right there, I'll put a list in the description below of all the vehicles that this covers. So right here, 5 lug nuts. They're 21 millimeter. And then you have to have a special key for this one. I found the key in the glove box. It's a, what is it, lug nut key. If it's not and you can't find the key, I'll put a link in the description below of Eric the Car Guy, where he actually shows you how to get one of these off. You basically find an oversized, a little bit bigger socket than what the lug nut calls for, and you pound it on there, then you break it loose. Well, let me show you the rotors that we're going to put on this thing. I'll put up his phone number, but this is from ACR Auto Parts here in Riverside, California. These are cross-drilled and slotted rotors that are going to be going on this bad boy, on this Lexus. Very nice, very nice. So got those, and let's get started. So first thing you want to do, loosen up the lug nuts, then raise up the vehicle, and then take the lug nuts off all the way. This breaker bar is from Harbor Freight. Maybe I should put the e-brake on. Emergency brake is on. Oh man. Okay, now I gotta get the key for that. Got your key. Put it on there, you're gonna feel it click into place. Bring your socket. All right, it's loose. Do not lose this key, this lug nut key. Don't lose it. And it's also a good idea to order 2 of them. We're underneath the vehicle. And sorry for the poor lighting. But right here, that frame rail right there, I'm gonna put the jack right there and jack it up. It seems like the safest place to do it, because if you try to put it here, you might run the risk of damaging this plastic part. This is just plastic facade. So I'm going to go all the way to that rail right there and put the jack right there. All right, the tire's off the ground, so go ahead, loosen up the rest of these lug nuts, and then pull the tire off. Now that you have the wheel off, it's good practice. Go ahead and put a jack stand under there. You don't want to rely just on a floor jack to keep it supported. Now we will come back here. To get this caliper off, you have 2 14 millimeter bolts, one right there, one right there as well. So we'll get those off, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then we'll get the rotor off and all that other good stuff. All right, so you guys have a bird's eye view of what we're about to do. Those are 2 14 millimeter bolts, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So you're going to be pushing these up. I'm just using the palm of my hand, hitting them up. Go ahead down the bottom one. Sometimes if these are really difficult, you can get a hammer to get them up and out. Looks like they're coming. There's one of them. There's the other one. Now I'll take the caliper bracket off, which is this item right here. That caliper bolt bracket is a 17 millimeter. Probably have to use a hammer on this one. So I'm getting a 3/8 breaker bar and a hammer. So once again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. To get this thing up, we're actually going to be hitting up on it. So I'm just going to take the edge of the hammer right here and hit it on the breaker bar. Broke it loose that way. So yeah, that's loose. And then there's one a little bit farther down that needs to come off as well, right here. I'm just going to be doing one side of the brakes because the other side is exactly the same. The reason I use hand tools in a lot of my videos is I know there's a lot of people out there doing their own DIY auto repair. And I know a lot of people don't have power tools and air tools and the latest and greatest cordless stuff. So I just want to be able to show people that you can work on cars without having all the fancy dancy latest stuff. All right, now that I have the caliper bracket off, I'm actually going to check the pins, the slide pins for the caliper itself. So there's a little boot here. Undo it from the pin right up here and then pull your pin out. There's one. Oh man, that one's stuck. Okay, next thing I will do is I will clean these up. I have some Napa Siliglide that I use on my pins. Napa Siliglide, part number is 765-1351. Gonna coat the pins with this stuff. Just spraying a little bit of brake clean here. Grab my pin, wipe this down, get all the old grease off. Do the same thing here. Okay. Now I'll take the Siliglide, reapply new coat, put little dabs on there, just run around in my fingers. Apply it all over the bolt. Okay. Stick it back in here. Run it back and forth a couple times. Make sure it nice, smooth, clean action. Do the same on this one here. Just coating it with Siliglide. Make sure you remember which pin comes out of where. In that smooth, clean action again. So the pins are ready. Slide the boot up and over. Make sure the boot is fully on. This area right here is actually where the brake pad, the end of the brake pad slides back and forth on. So I'm going to clean those up as well. Get in there with a rag. Clean it up so it doesn't bind up. And just continue this for these and the ones on top as well. I won't bore you with this, but just clean the pins or the guide areas for the brake pads. Clean these up to the best of your ability, or if you get new hardware, go ahead and replace the hardware. You'll need to do this on the other side. So I'm working on the driver's side. You'll need to do this for the passenger side as well. And then there's four areas that you need to clean on each caliper. All right, those are clean. Good to go. Now next we'll take off the rotor. Oh, come on. So as you saw prior, I had to get the hammer, hit the rotor, old rotor, to get them off. There's also you can also put a bolt in there, get them out that way if it's really, really stuck. But we were actually upgrading the rotors to cross-drilled and slotted rotors. I know there's a lot of talk online on some forums and other videos that I've seen. Does it matter which way the cross-drilled and slotted parts are facing when you put the rotor on? The answer is no. It does not matter which way it faces when you put these back on. Okay, so got the new rotors on. I'll bring back the caliper bracket, put that back on, then we'll install the new pads. So I greased the pins. I got the new, cleaned up the hardware. Okay, so just getting the rotor on, getting the caliper bracket back in place. Okay, so I'm starting the bottom caliper bracket bolt first. Just started by hand. Coming up on top, starting the top one by hand. Snug that down. Snug that down. So I have both the caliper bracket bolts in. I'm going to come in here, torque them down to 110 foot-pounds. Okay, got those torqued down. Bringing in the new brake pads where I clean this up on the bench. I'm going to bring back in my Siliglide. I'm going to put a light coating of Siliglide on this one, on the top one, and on the back side as well. Just so it lets the pad slide a little bit more. Just a thin light coating. Nothing drastic. You're not going to glob this stuff on. We're talking like just a smidgen. And don't get it on the brake pad or the brake rotor. Go on the inside here. Okay, bring your brake pad in. Slides right into place. Put the brake pad in for the back side. Okay, now it comes with these two clips to actually expand the brake pad out. So one goes there, the other one goes there. This caliper back in place. All you need is a C-clamp. You can actually use two spare pair of screwdrivers. All you need is an old brake pad. So to do this, you bring your old brake pad, then you bring your C-clamp in, you're going to connect it here, connect it here, not connect it, but contact there and there. And you just slowly push your caliper piston back into place. Just slowly pushing it back into place. Nothing fancy. After you do this brake job and after you complete the passenger side, you're going to want to go in there, you're going to want to push your brake pedal 10 times, 8 to 10 times. Make sure that the caliper, that the piston actually connects back with the pads before you drive off, because if you don't push that and you start driving off, you're not going to have any brakes, and that's what really sucks. I'll use my C-clamp. Okay, put some light pressure there. Bring my spring in. My brake pad spring. Set this one up on the bottom. And I got to bring your caliper back into place. So I'm going to hold this, pull my C-clamp off, and one swift move, bring everything in to make sure it doesn't pop out. Okay, cool. Okay, so now you have your caliper bolts you got to put back in. Start those by hand. Sometimes if this starts to spin right here, you need a wrench to hold that. Sometimes you don't. Next thing you want to do is put your top brake caliper bolt back in, snug these down, spray your rotor, your pads with some brake parts cleaner, bring in your wheel, tighten the lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds, and then do the other side. Make sure you press your brake pedal, check your brake fluid reservoir, make sure that it's full, and you're good to go. I'll put a link in the description below of all the vehicles that this actually covers, but yeah, this job isn't really hard at all. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or any of my videos helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundys Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.